Dear you, did you ever stop to think about the impact words have on your life and on others? You see, words may just be a bunch of letters stitched together, but they hold so much meaning, so much power. They carry an energy that is absorbed into the mind and felt in the soul. One negative word can destroy and demotivate a person. It can scar a person beyond repair. But positive words can inspire and motivate. They can alleviate the pain. They can strengthen the mind. They can cause happiness. And so, that is why we must choose our words wisely. One positive word can cause wonders. So, when you speak to others, use words that encourage, words that cause a positive impact and instill a sense of joy. And most importantly, when you speak to yourself, use kind words. Don't be hard on yourself, for you are still growing. You deserve to smile. You never know when your words can make someone's day better, or even change a life forever, even if it is your life. So join Fujia and be the reason someone smiles today, even if that someone is you.